Hey, kayaking. So today we're out in the town of Siletz, and we're going to kayak the Siletz town loop. Now these kayaks are ours from our former life, our pre-van life.
We're storing them at our good friend Darren's house.
Yeah, so today we are going to do the town loop. Is it about 2 miles around?
I don't know.
I don't know. It's pretty still water, but we'll see. We've never been in it this high before, so we'll check it out. Now, before we get going on this kayaking journey, check out where we stayed last night, Elk City campground, right on the couple rivers there, Big Elk and
it's the Yaquina River, and then the Big Elk flows into it right at the camp spot. It was nice.
It was nice, and our friends Lyle and Diane came out. Lyle and Dave opened some really old wine. We had a good time. Check it out.
Yeah, this is the Big Elk, or the Elk City campground. Wow, it's windy.
It is very windy. We're hoping this windscreen we've got on is helping out.
But it's, even though we're maybe a 20-minute drive east of Newport, it is about 70, 72 degrees here compared to 58 in Newport.
Mm-hmm.
That's better.
We have potato salad plans today. Now, a lot of you ask about recipes of things I make. I don't actually use recipes, but I'm going to tell you what I put in my potato salad. Boiled yellow potatoes. I'm going to use boiled eggs, a squirt of mustard, some mayo, tons of chopped pickles, and chopped sweet onion, some paprika, salt, pepper. That's pretty much it.
And if it's really good, I'll say, hey, you should write that one down. And she won't get around to it.
I can't write it down. I don't even know how much of anything I use. I just kind of to taste.
Always
dill pickle. It has to be. I'm not a sweet pickle fan at all. So all this has to be like dilly. Yeah, we got some firewood. We're gonna be doing. I have marshmallows, and for later we have hot dogs.
And Lyle and Dan are gonna come out and
barbecue with us.
Sit around the campfire with us.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get that salad going. Let's get the camp up and out. Pistol, what are you doing? Are you waiting on food? You literally just ate. How about a bone? You want a bone instead? Okay. There you go.
Come here.
Get it.
Bring it here.
Good girl.
Sometimes you just gotta squeeze it out.
Oh, you got the whole thing? Holy cow, good job.
What wine is this? 1981 Chardonnay. They're like kids in a candy store over here. Cheers to your plastic cups. Will that go good would that pair nicely with potato salad?
I'm thinking it's gonna go awesome with the salt and vinegar chips.
Okay. Oh, let's try it. Then we woke up this morning and check out what we found in our campground. So cute. All right, let's do this.
Thanks for getting all wet first, Pistol.
Oh my gosh, Someone's excited for water activities today. Okay. She is raring to go. Perfect. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go, girl. We ready? Lift off. Whee!
Crazy kid.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh wow, it's coming down over there too. Woo! Break time!
Plum tuckered out.
That's been fun.
Look at your nose, Asma.
We brought some snacks for Pistol. We got some muffins. We're gonna make some coffee. Life is good today. was fun.
Awesome.
Okay, what was your favorite part? I'll tell you my favorite part.
Coffee and muffins. I'm gonna guess your favorite part. Your favorite part's gonna be little baby geese or baby ducks.
Baby ducks. They were red-headed mergansers, and we saw 3 different groups of them. I'm wondering how many we passed because they were kind of camouflaged along the riverbank. So cute, and each mama had tons of babies, and some of them hopped up on her back as she was swimming away. They are adorable. I grew up on a river, not this one, but one nearby, and I forgot how fun it is. How many animals and birds and things live in the water, and
Yeah.
that was fun.
It's a beautiful float.
If you notice that Dave was going through the rapids a lot, it's because I pulled off to the side and pulled the boat around. I did not go through some of the... It looked a little scary, and it's hard because I had pistol too most of the time in my boat, and that changes things too. If she wiggles, I'm trying to go down the rapids. I have 0 experience with that, so I'm just more of a floater. Well, Pistol is safe. She had her life jacket on. She is so tired now. I mean, so tired. Oh, we're so tired.
Sitting in that boat's exhausting, isn't it, Pistol?
So tired.
She didn't care being in the kayak with me. It was weird. She just kept staring at you. She wanted to be back on your lap.
She did not want Daddy. She's so funny.
Maybe she knows I'm the risk taker.
Well, I think so. So I think we're going to wrap up this video right here. Now, in the next couple videos, we did just order the sumo springs. So we are going to be doing our own install on them. Now, by that, I mean I'll be holding the camera and filming for you guys. And Dave and our friend Lyle, we're going to go over and use his garage and his tools. And hopefully, I don't think there's too many tools involved, actually. I think it sounds like it's going to be pretty simple, but we'll sure let you know how that goes, and maybe we'll do like a little before and after of...
Yeah, because if you drive one of these, just going over a speed bump at an angle will show you how much the sway is. So maybe we'll try to see if we can get some footage of the van going over a speed bump from outside before and after the install or something like that.
Yeah, so I'm curious
No
about
promises. Irene's going to make it spectacular, though.
Stop! You said that last time, and then all we did was do a chat video, so really you lied. Alright, we'll catch you guys next time. See ya.
Stay safe and carry on.
Carry on.